Students, this is explanation of incoming senior inter BPC chemistry assignment on dated 2/9/20 2nd September 20. Topic is oxidation states, trends in M2 plus and M potentials and SRP values, standard reduction potential values. Question number 1. E naught M2 plus bar M value is positive for. Here answer was selected by knowing SRP values or electrochemical series. Here copper has positive SRP, remaining elements has negative SRP values. Next, question number 2. Highest oxidation states of manganese and osmium is shown with. Here in question number 2, manganese shows +7 oxidation state with Mn2O7 oxygen in the compound Mn2O7, whereas osmium OS shows +8 oxidation number in the compound osmium tetroxide. In the compound osmium tetroxide. So these two elements shows highest oxidation state with oxygen. Next, question number 3. Highest tendency for M3 plus gives rise to M2 plus is observed in. Answer is manganese. Answer is manganese. Why? In manganese has higher tendency to become +2. Why? In +2 of manganese contains 3d5 4s0. In manganese +2 it has 3d5 half-filled configuration. That's why it has more tendency to become Mn2 plus. Next question. Question number 4. In 3D series, which element has having large difference in observed and calculated value of M2 plus bar M? Here large difference is observed in the element cobalt. Large difference is observed in the element CO, cobalt. Please refer academy textbook. The graph was given. From that graph we can conclude cobalt. Next, question number 5. Most powerful oxidizing property of manganese is shown by which of the following oxidation state? Most oxidizing property means easily undergoes reduction. Easily undergoes reduction is possible in case Mn+7. Why? Because it is the highest oxidation state of manganese. So it readily undergoes reduction because it is highest oxidation state. So it readily undergoes reduction, acts as oxidizing agent. Question number 6. The correct order of M2 plus bar M values with negative sign for the elements chromium, manganese, iron and cobalt. The order is, for sixth question, the order is manganese has highest, then chromium, it is greater than iron, and it is greater than cobalt. Here values are taken from Academy textbook or NCERT textbook. Here the correct answer in this question is third option. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. E0 values for chromium Cr3 plus bar Cr2 plus and manganese 3 plus bar 2 plus minus 0.41 plus 1.51. Here correct statement is based on SRP values. We can conclude the answer here. SRP value, the species with the lowest SRP acts as strong reducing agent. The species with the highest SRP can act as oxidizing agent. Once again I repeat, the species with minus or lowest SRP can act as reducing agent. Highest SRP can act as oxidizing agent. Here Cr2 plus can act as reducing agent, whereas Mn3 plus can act as oxidizing agent. Here species with low SRP acts as Ra, reducing agent. With high SRP can act as oxidizing agent. From this we can conclude Cr2 plus can act as reducing agent, whereas Mn3 plus can act as oxidizing agent. Next, question number 8. Which element can have oxidation state from 1 to 6? From 1 to 6. Answer is chromium. Answer is chromium. How? Configuration is 4s1 3d5. This is the configuration of chromium. Minimum oxidation number MINON. Minimum oxidation number is +1. Minimum oxidation number is equal to number of electrons present in Ns. Maximum oxidation number is equal to sum of the electrons in Ns and N-1d. 1 plus 5 is equal to +6. So chromium exhibits minimum of +1 oxidation state and maximum of +6 oxidation state. Next, question number 9. When hydrogen peroxide is oxidized to acidified solution of dichromate, a deep blue colored complex of chromic peroxide is formed. Oxidation state of chromium is, they were asking the oxidation state of chromium. See, chromium peroxide CrO5, that is Formula of chromium peroxide. It has butterfly structure like this. It has butterfly structure like this. Butterfly structure. Now, chromium -2. For this -2 oxidation number, and these two -1 -1 -1 -1 -4 is equal to 0. Now Cr is equal to +6. Now these two are considered as peroxy links. In peroxy link, oxygen shows -1 oxidation state. Question number 10. Which of the following set of elements does not belongs to transition elements? Here answer was chosen by verification method. See, in the fourth option, gallium, indium and Tl thallium, those elements belongs to third A family, third A group elements. So these are belonging to third A group. That's why it belongs to P block but not transition elements. Next question number 11. Which of the following has maximum number of unpaired electrons? Maximum number of unpaired electrons. Cu2 plus contains one unpaired electron. Zn, there is no unpaired electrons. In atom Zn there is no unpaired electrons. In Fe2 plus, number of unpaired electrons are 4, and Ni2 plus. And Ni2 plus case, number of in Ni2 plus, number of unpaired electrons are 3. So here the maximum number of unpaired electrons are observed in Fe2 plus, that is equal to 4. Next question number 12. Which element does not give the following reaction? M plus water, M means metal, plus H2O gives rise to oxide and hydrogen. Oxide with H2 liberation. Which does not give hydrogen, they are asking. Here, among the following metals, which does not given? Here, mercury does not gives. Why? The metals which are having negative SRP can give hydrogen gas. But mercury Hg has positive SRP. Only negative SRP ఉన్న elements మాత్రమే oxygen, hydrogen gas ని liberate చేస్తాయి. But mercury has positive SRP. That's why it cannot liberate hydrogen. Next question number 13. Which of the following ion has maximum magnetic moment? Here magnetic moment mu is equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bm, Bohr magneton. Here mu directly proportional to number of unpaired electrons. By option verification method, Mn2 plus has 5 unpaired electrons. Mn2 plus has 5 unpaired electrons. That is the maximum condition. So it shows maximum magnetic moment. Next question number 14. Which one of the following compound has color but no unpaired electrons? Answer is potassium permanganate, KMnO4, which is color but does not containing any unpaired electrons. It is colored but there is no unpaired electrons. The reason is charge transfer or transfer of charge by anions. The reason is transfer of charge by anions. Next and last question. The number of d electrons in Fe2 plus is not equal to the number of electrons in which of the following? First of all, number of d electrons in Fe2 plus is equal to 6. Fe2 plus ions lo number of d electrons are 6. Now option verification. Here d electrons of zinc containing again 6 electrons, p electrons of neon 6, s electrons of magnesium again 6, but p electrons of chlorine are 11. P electrons in chlorine is equal to 11. This is not equals to this one. Thank you, students.